I'm really delighted to be here this morning at Upper Norwood Library. It's a project that's benefited from £132,000 of National Lottery funding and doing really amazing things, bringing people together in this local neighbourhood. Our report is providing really practical lessons and insights about how do we build pride in place. It's a key topic for us in the National Lottery Community Fund. And it's saying some really important things. The importance of places and spaces for people to come together, but also really enriching activities alongside that.
Over the years, this place has really, drawn people in. So you might come here and think you are coming to read a book, but then you actually sign up for an event. You might join a choir, or you might come and do some yoga, and you might leave here actually having had some energy-saving advice and support in how to lower your energy bills.
The library is hugely important to the local community. It's massively important for people to be able to access books for free. It's a place where people can get signposted to different services, where people can access our services that we run, that we're able to offer things for the community that are really important to them. The different services that we have sort of come out of speaking to the community, to understanding what the needs are and programming work accordingly.
We're a social enterprise based in Crystal Palace that helps people develop their digital skills and also build confidence using their smartphones, tablets and computers. But also come and have a kind of social opportunity to meet other people and kind of build a bit of their confidence.
Every week, thanks to National Lottery players, more than 30 million is distributed to good causes across the UK. Our Pride in Place report is showing exactly the sort of difference that this is making. More than 2/3 of our grantees are saying these are the services that reduce loneliness, build self-esteem, build that pride in place. And I'm really proud of that contribution the National Lottery is making.
We wanted to be somewhere that was of our community, not for our community, and we listened. We listened to people, what they wanted, and we worked in partnership really from the outset. And I think what that did was bring people on a journey, and the community were, in lots of ways, led that journey.
Libraries traditionally have always held like a significant position on the high street, and we continue that tradition, and we continue to do that to be a real sort of pivotal figure in the community.
I really hope that our Pride in Place report will be able to provide those lessons and insights to community groups, to authorities, to individuals and people who want to make a real difference in their communities.
From Neighbours to Neighbourhood Report. tnlcommunityfund.org.uk/PIP